The ads are over. Oh, y'all came in on a great day. I'm using my camera for once. Yeah, thanks for the sub. Sorry. Oh, nice. Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know how long this stream's gonna be because I actually am gonna go to the gym at some point today. I'm not sure. It's whenever my brother feels like it, so we'll see when he calls. That he. So, I've been working on like UI stuff for the game. But I've also been distracted by another project that I'm not gonna show right now. So I haven't gotten too much done in here. And I've also been my game All Lava got delisted from Android, so I've been working on fixing that, but for some reason I can't figure out the install. Like how to get Android working basically. But yeah, for anyone that hasn't seen my game, this is my side project technically, where I'm trying a new style that is kind of new to me, of like stylized, that's the goal, honestly. I wanted to, I was really inspired by like Ooblets and like Animal Crossing, where I wanted something really simple to make, that at the same time, like I could rapidly make models and then it kind of blend together. Oh wait, oh god damn it, mother son of a biscuit, I forgot to. Oh wait, no, that's just a highlighted message. You made me realize that I left a command in there because I was testing something. I thought it was that message. Because it's for 100 as well. But yes, how's it going, Cog? It's been a while. I haven't streamed in a couple weeks. I wasn't feeling up to it. You confused me. I was like, oh no, the test thing's still that. Not that it matters. It's gonna redeem nothing. But it's for something. I'm working with another streamer on. Okay, so today we're basically working on this room still. You've been slacking on your streaming too? Yeah. I mean, honestly, I was playing Final Fantasy, obviously, and then, like, it just... I don't know, I really enjoy hanging out with other people, and then, like, for me, streaming's not as important. Like, it's nice. But... I've never had a really good schedule. I mean, really, realistically, I could stream at, like, 10 o'clock to midnight. 10 o'clock to, like, 3 a.m. Got up on the ton of sleep this morning, or this weekend. Feel great. That's awesome. That's good. Yeah, last night, I gotta admit, last night, I was just like, damn. There's no one to be, like, DGen hours with online. No one's in, like, a VC or anything. Oh. Alright, but yeah, we're gonna work on, like, a little arcade cabinet. So... let's do that. You're always online? I guess I could, yeah. I meant like sitting in a voice channel already. But yeah, no, I know you're always online. I see you like post something randomly all the time. I spent almost all of yesterday playing Slay the Spire. Nice. Yeah. No, I ended up playing Helldivers 2 for the first time in a couple weeks. It was nice because they rewarded me with everything that happened while I was gone. So I just had like 300 war bonds. Where I was like, that works. You don't sit in... Yeah, like, I mean, neither do I. And that's why I was like, no one else is already in one, so I can't join one. What was I looking up? Oh yeah, arcade cabinet. I just want it. It's fun. We'll have a little game room. I say that as I'm pretty sure I already have an arcade cabinet somewhere. Like a model of one. Dang it, where's the computer at? Can't see y'all for a second. That's one. Oh, I also finally bought another mouse. God, scroll, please. It arrives tomorrow, and I cannot wait. Please scroll out. Please stop zooming in. Please, for the love of God, just zoom out a little bit. Oh, same one I have. It was on sale. God damn it. This might be why. Alright, wait, I could do this. I don't want it that big, though. I wanted so we could leave it in the corner of the window. Oh my god. Wait. If I do it slowly. It's the Logitech, or the Logi, you know, their gaming, G703. I mean, I don't even need it, but there you go. Alright. Oh, now it did it? Nice. Alright, we're gonna make a simpler version though. So cube. We base everything on a 1 meter cube for scale. I'm thinking though what we do. I've been trying to model everything separately, like real life kind of, where obviously these are separate panels. Please. Local man pleads with technology, right? No, it's more insane, man. Oh, all right. All right, so let's put it over here. By the way, if anyone has any questions of what's going on, I know not all of you are game devs. Totally not just directed at Josh. But now Josh is busy as well. Let's see. Yeah, no, I actually looked into it. I was like, let me see this thing. I was gonna get like I don't know. For me, it's like, I can't do that many buttons on the side because I'd hit them. But I'm also, yeah, I don't know. It looks cool though. Like I'd be like that if I could use a mouse like that, I would. But because I'm doing stuff in here all day, I mean, even then it would probably help. But like I try to go for a little like ergonomics first. It didn't look terrible, but oh, please, come on. We're not gonna copy that 1-to-1, obviously. I'm just trying to shape it. Also, if the music stops, this goes for anyone, please let me know. God, Blender. Blender. Someone here knows. What's the, how do I? Yeah, so like, mine has that too, technically, I think. Or at least I can change from auto scroll to freewheel, but that doesn't help. Is this not? Oh my goodness. Like, why won't this work? This is doing exactly what it should. Okay. Need to get my tablet plugged back in too. Like, it's right next to me. Finally, I found it. Now I just need to find the correct pen. I'm terrible at that. All right. Right now we're just trying for person. Oh, what was that? Don't you love when something pops up and you just barely see it and now you have no idea what it was? Perfect. I mean, that makes sense. Yeah. I used to do that, except like it messes up in a lot of games. I mean, I say that my scroll wheel doesn't even scroll right now, so maybe cog. Yeah, no, I've had I've been working on the, if you remember Astro Junk, I've been making sure it was, it's ready. All right. No, I mean, I guess it would be like this perspective is all off, as in my perspective. I'm just trying to get the basics down at the moment. There's something like that, and then you know, at the moment, heck no. The cabinet scaled to nothing. Look at this scale. The player's like a meter and a half tall. Even less than that. I think it's like 1.3, right? So no, it's not at the moment. That's why I was like, right now I'm just trying to get the general shape, and then we'll adjust from there, because realistically it's going to be like this tall. Let's see though. Let's go there. This goes back. I'm just trying to get the general shape of a cabinet at the moment. Like, this is where it definitely messes up, where it should be barely. Not that I want to match the Atari. But I want it to at least resemble an arcade cabinet, kind of. I guess we could just get a side profile, huh? And then match it up and then adjust. Also, arcade cabinets actually look really freaking weird. Just throwing that out there. I guess the bit too is that this is then disconnected from the rest of it. So I guess we could technically do this where we say like dissolve that. Oh. Nope, wrong thing. All right. And then this. Oh. That's a little better. You've been banging your head against your desk trying to figure out where in the city sample materials graph. Oh. I mean, honestly, is it a material function? Because you should just be able to throw it on last, basically. I don't know what their wetness setup's like there. No, I mean, it's not so much that they're more complex than they need to be. Which one? The city sample one? The city sample one is super complex, but the reason why is like it's because I mean, I don't know, it could be simpler, I guess, but you make it complex because then in doing so, they're not too bad, I think. Because what it is, it's so that A, you have the flexibility that you might need in the future, but then also you have the now you guys get to see that I talk with my hands. No, I mean, you get the flexibility, but then it's also, there's a little bit of proceduralness in there. Depending on which material you're looking at. And like, they're reading data from different resources than just, you know, from the Midwest. I mean, that's one reason to talk with your hands, I guess. That's a new one. remember one of my definite earlier memories of like it was like the first time I had went over to a girl's house and we had been alone in her room, and like after we were leaving, when we opened the door, like her mom was there, and I'm just like, I'm talking like, what? I don't know what you're thinking, like whatever, and like it's just burned into my brain because she was just like, all right, I know you're innocent, you're talking with your hands. And I'm just like, what the heck? Oh. Like, all right. We probably could delete. Obviously, there's a lot of internal polygons there we can delete, especially here. But for now, I'm just getting the shape. Yeah, I mean, honestly, yeah. All the epic like ones that they do for their like tech demos are definitely a lot more complicated, and then you also got to think like some of them might not do stuff the best way because they were developed to be because they were developed to be like a tech demo. They were, you know, they were reused from another content or something else. Yeah. But I don't really know what I'm trying to like think in my head what an underside of a cabinet looks like. I feel like they're just showing off or making. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't even know. I wouldn't even say to be trolls. It's also you got to think like the people that are looking at that like before it comes out, things like that, are like licensees. It might be a little more complex because they're specifically trying to show like how you could do something more complex, right? Son of a biscuit. All right, cool. Please delete. Yeah. All right, and then this. Oh, that's the same object. Please. I'm not even scrolling. All right. Okay. But like the Lyra project, right? Like that's meant to be like a more advanced intermediate thing. So there's some things that in there that are just more complicated than they need to be. Or what you normally would see. But the reason why is because, you know, to help jumpstart projects that are more advanced. I think the biggest issue we have is literally like our side of things. We get a little less documentation on it and not too many people talking about it. I mean, that's why I try to cover like the new features coming in to the editor and stuff like that a little early. It's just to make other people look at it. I mean, honestly, for the most part, I wouldn't extend those projects. I would take what you want from it and export it out, you know? But more specifically to that, I mean, just open them and learn them, right? Like, they wanted a realistic city. They have some really good... What the heck? Sorry, my music stopped. At least on my end. I'm listening to something else than you guys. Hey, Mac. Hope all is well. I was looking for mirror the whole time. I just couldn't find it. Alright, let's set this to the center. Center-ish, right? But yeah, hopefully you've been good, Mac. Boop. We're making the weirdest arcade cabinet ever. But yeah, I mean, honestly, it's great to. That's how I I enjoy those projects and how complicated they are. But that's because I like to open every little thing and be like, how does this work? My brain needs to know. Please, scroll wheel. There we go. That's perfect. But I'm also bad at using anything else, like other content besides my own, right? So am I the one to judge things? Probably not. Son of a... I did it again. I didn't even realize I switched to that. Like I did, but didn't. Yeah, I hope everyone's been good. We're gonna adjust the height of that, as in of this. Doing well here, nice. How's your stuff been going along, Square? I mean, you said good, obviously, but I'm just asking. What the heck happened there? I didn't like hit extrude or anything, but this is acting all weird. That's good. Freaking. I'm waiting for them to announce tickets for the Unreal Fest in Seattle. I got my stuff booked for it. So I'll be there, whether or not I have tickets to Unreal Fest, we'll see. No, but I thought that would be fun to do, so I caved in, so if anyone else is going. At the moment, I'm just making these separate, just... God. I can say I'm making it separate so that we can get like the paneling look of it, and then we'll see where I combine it later and stuff. Let's go. I'm like trying to think in my head now. I'm like, have I seen a arcade cabinet? It's probably been years. I'm trying to think, like, what would the inside? I guess the inside's normally, like, you can see above the thing. But it's like, do we build a, like, a blackout thing here? Like a little, you know, like, ah. What? No, I always find it amazing when I see people not using reference. Like, I mean, so I say that as, like, I'm one of those people sometimes. Like, there's obviously certain things you don't need reference for, but I think even if you know exactly what you're doing, a reference is always beneficial in some way, whether that's scale or... Go build a chair. That sounds like the weirdest insult you could get. Like, why direction matters? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's like, that's where, for me, right? Like, I'm like, there's a reason we build things a certain way. And it's like, that's why I'm trying not to exactly reference this. And I have other arcade cabinets that I'm also looking at. Like, obviously, they're made to be as box shape as possible. And that's where it's like, I might get rid of this part. Like, this doesn't technically need to be this whole curve. And then we'll from there do some other stuff. But it's like, I think the way I've always seen it, and it's like, I think this is where it's like, I'm glad that I started in 2D, specifically like in like high school and stuff. Like, I did computer animation classes and stuff. And it's like, in there, I was very thankful that my teacher, what we actually started on was like looking at the early like Disney stuff, and learning how like the original animators there animated, rather than just being like, look at this animation software, or look at this, which I know is how some people learn. And like that's, and just me being me, like I have a, I think like Disney history is pretty great. And like the people that have worked there, obviously not all of Disney history. But I think there's some really cool like stuff we can get from that, right? Like, I mean, that's where, I mean, even if you go anywhere and take a like 2D animation class, like most of the time you'll learn from, you know, like their methods and stuff, like the Ollie and Frank methods and stuff. All right. I'm trying to think. I'm like, I want to add a bevel here, but I don't know if I want to just add it through here. I never have luck with the one here that's built in. And by that, I mean, like, I always break it. 0, 1. So that would match my other. We should also probably apply transform. Okay, good. Always got to make sure. Please zoom out. You have a lot of classical understanding why art does what it does, and even doing it almost your whole life in one way or another. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I always love that stuff. Like seeing it's probably some of my favorite like content to consume. I mean, I like learning in general. I mean, it's not even a like, it's more just a freaking, you know, side effect of my brain. Come, please zoom in. What's the buttons for zooming in and out? I know there is one because it's freaking Blender and they got a shortcut key for everything. Like... Blender users in here. I know one of you want to yell at me. Tell me what it is. I need to know. Middle mouse action, orbit. Come on. Can I search these? Yeah. Is it even called zoom in here? They don't like to call things zoom. Numpad. Mother son of a bit. I don't have a numpad on my keyboard. Oh. I know it emulates it. What do I gotta press? That's what I get. I gotta get a new keyboard with a numpad. Like, oh. I went for a smaller keyboard because it just makes it where I got more room on my desk. And like I've had it for a year plus. It's still working great, but my next keyboard I for sure need. If there something happens to this, I need another one that is a full layout because the Blender needs it. Everything. Oh, son of a. Nah. Ugh. Let me fix that. We're gonna. So I don't look like an evil villain. This is really loud. Yeah. Everything's fine. Nothing happened. Duh. They do, and that's why I was looking. They have an emulate 3-button mouse, and I don't know what it is, but they also have a like emulate. There's a button combo to hit when you don't have a numpad. I just don't know what it is. But they have. I know it's somewhere in here. There we go. I just don't know where anything is. Also, hopefully that wasn't too loud. I'm so sorry. The light was just like, no, I'm done. Not today. No, I have it like balanced on the back of my monitor because I don't like it down on my desk because then it's just like, nah. Oh God, where is it? I think it's even called emulate whatever button, but you gotta find it. Please. It's not even worth it. Okay, cool. I'm not even gonna worry about it. All right. I didn't mean to make this go. So we're gonna. Please, thank you. Oh, I also realized the camera's like looking at my top of my head now. Okay. Oh, we scrolled in enough. That's fine. I don't need more than that. Mainly because I don't want to deal with it. Okay. Did I miss bevel? I was like, I thought it was in this one. Alright, I'm just gonna. I don't even need the light, I don't think. It just looks darker. Now I don't know where the button is to turn it off though. There we go. It's not too bad. I guess I could open my light, but then it's super bright. Or open my window. Please. Oh God. Ugh. Sorry, my. Oh. Today's just complicated for me, huh? Oh, that's smart. All right, let's see. So we're gonna go cylinder. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, it's on the side, so that'd be funny though. I don't need this anymore. Please. Oh my god, it's gonna be freaking thrown. Oh, I have my other mouse, I just don't remember where it is. What we're gonna do is like, this is just gonna be the, so that we can fake it being inset in the ground. Right, and then we're gonna put a button inside of there. No, I don't even have a numpad. It's my scroll wheel. I don't have a... My scroll wheel's being broken. My keyboard doesn't have a numpad at all. That's not my issue. I mean, the issue is that things are bound to it. So like that, if I wanted to scroll without my scroll wheel, it would be, yeah, but, oh wait, I can just, oh my goodness, I've never seen that button there. I'm in love. Oh, god dang it. Oh, I did all that and then I didn't apply transform. And that's why you apply transform when you're scaling. Right there. Whoop. Need another 0. I guess we could do like... That's actually really funny. I mean, honestly, most of the time it's not too bad. And it's nice because then I can't... Like, I get more desk space. But, yeah, it's annoying. Please? Please? There we go. Alright, and then we can join those back up. It's just the week of edge cases where people regret the choice. Yeah. Oh. Now we're good. I don't regret the choice now. I have a button. Who needs, please go to, yeah, where's the... I could have just snapped it, but I hate that angle snap button. We should probably oversize this as well. I realized. Ugh. How do I... What would it be? It'd be like the normal, right? We can just... I always forget that these are here. To face. Yeah, let's just boop. Boop. All right, and then we gotta do I think we basically keep the base of that. Keep the base of that. And do a like this. Say nope, that I can't read. There we go. And then we that many segments. We can do like, I don't know, 12. 8. It's gonna be only seen from super far away, so overall I could reduce tons of stuff on here. Oh no, I lost it. Ah. Wait, I can't zoom in more? Okay, please. Okay, why can't I move? Also, it's like, I'm pretty sure there's a button to focus on something as well. Fake potion jiggle. Which one? Fake potion jiggle. Like the liquid stuff, or is there something else? I'm trying to think. Are you talking about like from the tavern project, like this? Please. Oh my god. Yeah, the liquid inside. No, I didn't do a tutorial on it, but it's not too hard. I can literally open it and show you what it is. You can find some other places too. I want to say that, was it Simon? I feel like there's a couple places that, because when what's called came out, that the thingy with the stuff and the people, Half-Life Alyx came out. There was like tons of people were remaking stuff. Yeah, it's nothing crazy. Oh god. I hit open on the tavern projects and it's like 8,000 shaders to compile. My bad. I mean, who knows? By then we'll have scrolled over to this. Come on, dude. Is it because I used the zoom instead of... Oh, there we go. Yeah. How dare you, Gog? Gah! No, I don't care. I'd only care if you were like, the stream broke. Even then, I don't really care that much about the stream, so... Oh, turn that off. Yeah, we got a little joystick. Yep. That's how they work. Perfect. Oh, sorry. Not bad. Looks close enough to me. We should have like a... Why does this keep turning on? There we go. So now, let's go check out the scale. I think we're gonna have to make it shorter by about 2 buttloads. Or no, I guess it's not too bad. I'm gonna fix this grossness, but also, what the heck? Did we subdivide this on accident? We 100% did the wrong thing there. I was wondering why it was having the weird edges. I thought it was just a bevel. Oh, I forgot the 0. Make it match the other corners. That's actually good though, because that means we can... but yeah, it's nothing crazy. Like it's just using the objects. If I remember right, it like uses object's position. And then from there, it does a couple things. Just to get like the rotation. Apply transforms. There we go. Alright, let's try that. It's gonna be gross because we didn't texture any of it, but or assign, I think, the material to half of them. We can just for now. Oh, I forgot this one's mirrored. Mirror. Okay, good luck. No, I guess that would be. Let's just fill them out. Main. Main. Wrong one. No, we don't have a floor piece. We need that. But I was gonna say we can at least do this. So something like this. Just say something like. I'll probably actually do a texture for this one specifically, just because. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, maybe it's like we'll do it like this, and then a texture just for the the screen will need a different material. I mean, I guess not. We just have it be a solid thing. No, I guess it would probably be easier just to read a render target. But I was saying, like, if we want writing, is what I was thinking. There we go. Let's just... Like, we know this one will be black, if anything. You know, like the... Ta-da. Alright, obviously not the final thing, but... Alright, so let's go here. Let's say... New folder. This is going to be... Arcade machine. Segment underscore... I don't know why I'm saying machine. I think it's just in case there's a building that's an arcade. Oop. Okay, we probably could make it a little wider. Let's see what this looks like though. Hey, yeah, it's almost perfect size actually. For the player. I mean, I guess we could probably make it a little bigger so that it can fit on the, like, look like it's fitting on the grid like these guys. So like what I mean by that is like make it a little wider. And then other than that, I think it works pretty good. So I think what we'll do though is we'll have it where we move these. So do like this. Whoop. Not like that. And then have this down here. That way we can see the lights and stuff. Nice. I like it. Okay, cool. Get rid of the mirror, right? Yeah. I think just expanding it by one. Because that would be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically. Because I'm looking at that. At a 10, so that's, we could probably go one more. Let's see, let's go like this. Yeah, I said go at least finish this. But let's see what it looks like after this one. Oop. Please. There we go. All right, that looks cool. Nice. Oh yeah, I'm not listening to it. Hey, thanks for the resub, Burr. Oh my goodness. So long. Appreciate it though. Oh, and for everyone else, I guess there is an ad starting in 2 minutes. I'm gonna get up at the same time and grab water. Yeah. Yeah, I try to fill everything out. Twitch is, I was gonna say, I know that's something that I need to get done. Is like I still have badges that I've never made, but it's not. I mean, realistically, there's only like 3 people that have subbed more than a few months. I mean, but I want to get badges done for you guys, and then like work on more emotes because I have some stuff, and then I'm working on other fun stuff for Twitch overall. Please, why am I still? Nope. please, there we go. All right, so what I'm thinking is push that all the way out. Oh my goodness, what is this? I really messed this one up, huh? 12 edge. 12. There we go. And then let's do a boom, boom. Oh, we're kind of like uneven, huh? How has Bevel worked all day and then we get to this one and it doesn't work? Yeah. We're gonna have really big buttons. I mean, oh my goodness. What the heck is happening? I was thinking maybe it was Bevel. No Bevel link for me. Okay, cool. I mean, but yeah, what sucks is like the select more button too requires the thing. I remapped it, but I forget what the button is. What the heck is wrong with this? We're just okay. Oh, no. Remove. What is it? Merge. Oh, merge by distance. There we go. Maybe that will fix it. Hey, he was just telling me I had a shitty model. Not the first time. Will be the last. What is happening here? Okay. I almost feel like we do. Take a break. Oh yeah, I can take a break. Hey. I think we should be back. And yeah, that's what I've heard about it. Josh, like, I mean, singing about it, I should say. I'm good. I mean, right now I'm in the, I'm just losing weight at the gym phase, so, I ain't getting near that. Thank you. Also, thanks for reminding me to even take a break. Because we all know I would have remembered 10 minutes from now and been like, I forgot. Also, thanks for the follow while I was gone. Slowly going from dad bod to rad bod. Nice. Hey, it's worth it. I'm going from like person who had a transplant and depression bod to, you know, a shape. No, I'm actually really, I don't know. I really love the gym now. It's not bad. I mean, it helps that I have someone to go with me, so that like motivates me to go. And it's like, what the heck? That's. It's really nice. Oh, never mind. That's someone else. I was gonna be like, oh goddamn, speak of the devil. Thanks. Honestly, it's nice. I mean, honestly, it's just been hard since moving here. That's my biggest issue. But it's getting better now, so I'm happy. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to think, like, there's a slot and then like a button. How do we do that in the most simplistic way? Because we're trying not to add detail, right? Like, it's the button at the top of the. Most guys don't know. Oh god, that. I think I'll just actually, instead of making it out of, like, instead of going, instead of like going in, and shaping it. Ugh, excuse me. You're gonna make me do math now. I didn't need to know that. You know what's terrible about that? Hold on. This is the even worse part about that. The whole game is scaled in the weirdest way possible because Milo's a little shorty. But also, hold on. Let me hit start. Oh wait, no, this Milo has thumbs. Never mind. For years, Milo never had thumbs. I was about to be like, we don't have thumbs because my old gloves used to be just like I mean, if you look at, it's funny because I've been looking at, so I've been recertifying and doing everything for Alava. I can grab a photo though. Oh no, that's not Google Play Store. Let me just log in. Hold on. It's like for everyone that doesn't have a reference. So for anyone that doesn't know, my character is from my original game that I released in 2013, Milo's Journey. Right? I have to update it to put it back on the Play Store. But I started with 2D games. But let's go to Alava, which I forgot if I actually released the. I know I gave away the Windows version of Alava. I don't know if I actually did anything with it. Okay. But yeah, Google sends so many damn emails that I just ignored it, and then I forgot, and then they got everything's been delisted at this point. Production. Every time I'm on this dashboard, it changes. Please, game. How do I see the store page? That's all I want to see. Is it not in main store listing? There we go. Okay, so Alava, right? Anyone that doesn't know, that's a game I released. Milo, original model, right there. No glove. Oh, he had thumbs then too. God damn it. But no fingers. Okay, there's one glove. Use half the thumb because the coin button is just. Yeah, I guess. I was gonna be like, but it doesn't make any sense because then we go in here. Let's grab a coin. Bam! Oh. I'm sorry for being a bot. Okay. I'm gonna go right there, right this second. No, I mean, that makes sense. We'll figure something out. It will look good. It just needs the, I mean, the hard part too, right, is like, we have to play the camera. He just pulls out a giant coin that's the size of his head and then just... Magic money. Also, there was something happening the other day, and I think it was when I was watching people play Final Fantasy, and they were like, lava's hot, and I was like, yeah, it is. That's how I sold a whole damn game. I was like, yeah. It was funny. In my head, at least, because I didn't say it to anyone, so I was just like, yeah, it is. That blue doesn't actually look too bad. But yeah, let's see. No, I think this is good size. Like, so what we'll do is we'll have it where I do nothing because this. No, this isn't bad. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna use each individual thing to paint a different color. Because at the end of the day, we're playing the distance. Oh my god, this looks so gross. I think that's not my. I think that's my hardest part with doing anything with. I think we should also just. We just also kill that, right? Yeah, let's do that. So this one can just go, and then this one, I guess we would do out. That will play. That's fine. Also, this should be wider, I think. You can tell what it is. Boom, game of the year. Bam. Please select. Microphone. You're in the way, bud. Alright, the rest can be like a, I don't know, this color. Do that color. Ta-da. We got the buttons. Zoom out, please. Look at that butt. Alright, what the heck is happening here? Oh, it's not bad. It just looks unaligned. Probably put like some kind of design or something above it. But for now that works. This looks a little gross. I think because of the shading, so we can do weighted. Perfect. Oh, and I guess we should do this, right? We should go delete these. Son of a biscuit. Something like that, I think. And then this needs to go. We're just gonna call it window. All right. Cool. Yeah, that's fine. And then we're gonna just do a. I guess this should also be a blueprint if we're gonna do it like this. So that would be a interactable, or yeah, and then there should be a base interact. Duplicate BP arcade. God, freaking caps lock me. Arcade. Okay. Oh, I couldn't see that for a second. I thought I put a V in there. I'm like, where did that come from? Oh, I didn't want to duplicate. I meant to say, we'll just interact and base, because we don't need all these in here. We might need this, so we can. Let's do this. Call parent node. Okay, so now it's calling this and that, right? So what we need to do is first replace this. So arcade. And then question why there's another box. Wait, what? Oh, it duplicated everything. Cube. Arcade. Cool. So this can place. What the heck am I listening to? Also, do you guys have music? I just realized that I was listening to stuff on the same account. That's good. You guys do, or should. Anyways, there we go. So we should also call something else, which is, if I remember, let's double check this, was interaction based. Okay, it is. Cool. So we should do something like this. So on interact, move the location. Now I'm like, should we give the player actual money they can collect in the town and then they spend it here? Oh, I don't know. But let's do this. Let's go. Okay. So edit that. Say show 3D widget so that we can edit it in world. Or don't show the 3D widget. Where? Please. Exactly. Motivation. And then we also need to do this, so that needs to let's do a material. It's gonna be like RT game, right? Let me get a render target. So it's gonna be a texture example, and oh I'm trying to wonder what the best way to do that so that we're not... I mean, I guess we just... Okay. It's probably going to be unlit. It's always going to be lit in this room, so I'm not worried about that. But that might affect the lighting. And then this is going to be just that. Okay, cool. So now we need to go... Oh. Stay. Material. Blah, 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 blah. I'm trying to think actually, because like we could fake this in two different ways, right? We could have it where the player's there and I see an over, like we zoom into just the game on a still frame and then switch, like just switch the camera over so that we're not wasting memory on a render target. Or we keep the player at like a, you know, angle like this and do a render target, and then we can also see us playing. But that makes it a lot more complicated because then we have to animate the player. So maybe not a render target. That's probably for the best, honestly. Either way, we should be seeing this. Do I have to expose on spawn as well? No, or something? Like, I don't think so. There needs to be a... We got it. Is it inside something? Hello? Please? Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like... I get what you're saying. Yeah, because then we don't have to... Because then coming back, we just... I guess we could, like... That's where I'm like, we could technically, like, save a screenshot, whatever, and put it... I didn't get to the mute button in time. But at least you guys didn't see me. I mean, for now we'll just still keep this, but that's mainly because it's just gonna be black. Yeah. That's actually interesting. Yeah, so that's what I was thinking is maybe we so we could do a flip book, right? Like there's lots of ways to go about it. So we'll figure it out. I probably shouldn't do it all today. So I don't mind. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I think I see. All right. Yeah, there's lots of. I was thinking initially, render target would be nice because we could kind of like do different animations on it and stuff, but I don't know. There's lots of little issues everywhere. Also, is that okay? No, just weirdly shadowed. I thought it was like inverted. Okay, cool. So that gives us that minus the whole, you know, having to texture that. Which I guess we could, because really the best bet would be to do something like this. We say do like a darker sides, and then that we say go like that so that the gradient's bigger. There we go. And then I say instead of blue, we should probably do like, if it's blue, it should be darker for one, but let's do something like that. Right. That way we can take these. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop. Those should be dark. Please. Son of a biscuit. No, let's do that. Then we can kind of, there's a little bit of definition there. And then from here, see the classic, like, so we'll have like a metal color. So that's those. And then, oh, please. No, we'll do like the classic, like red type of thing. We made a thing. That one, I forgot that one. We'll just, I forgot where the rest were. Where's that one versus this one? There we go. I mean, this one technically we could do like a bad definition and add a little bit of breaking up that pattern. Maybe do a little lighter. There we go. And then we'll do like words on top. I'll probably just do the type, like 3 text, if I'm happy enough with this. We can also probably, oh, that looks so much better. Look at that. That was so easy to do. Like that's why I'm enjoying doing it this way. Where I'm like, it's, please. There we go. Oof. If I had better lighting in here, this wouldn't be too bad. I think I'd want it not, like those not to be metal. And like the center not to be metal. So like have the sides metal paneling. And then everything else not, basically. Maybe. Oh. If we got it working the way it's supposed to, with vertex colors and stuff. Oh, and I learned why. It's freaking, like, Blender wasn't exporting, like, vertex colors, apparently. With a new update. Unless you use it in a node. In your material. It's the weirdest thing. It's sort of strange change. I imagine they'll change it back. Or at least that's what I saw. It might not even be that reason, but I saw they were doing that. So I was like, oh, maybe that's why I had issues. Also, I did not put this on Snap. And it's still just the arcade machine. Oh. Yeah, I wonder why the arcade machine's not showing up right. Oh, maybe it's because you didn't put the right one down. Maybe, just maybe. By chance. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, come on, please. Why are you not? Get rid of these overrides. Come on now. Then what is this? Nope. Copy. I could have just done the whole transform. I don't know why I did just one. Hey, look at that. Can I please move it? Like, there we go. The move to location will be like right there. That means we can just go interaction. Oh, there's no nav mesh in here. Now mesh volume. I always had the wrong one, so I was making sure. There we go. There we go. Forgot to double check that the what's called. Oh, wait. There we go. We at least push to it, and then like from there we should push into a camera. Type of thing. All right. Cool. I feel like this is a little off, so that's interesting. So this is a little off. This is off center. The cube, eh? Wait, no. What? Arcade. Edit arcade. It opened the other one. I don't even know how. Okay. Oh yeah, that pivot is off. Body. I'm not worried about it. There we go. Cool. All right, so now. Oh, wrong button. We're gonna say on. We gotta get this. Top to overlay. And then the positioning of this. Let's try that and see if I like it. I mean, that's not terrible. Maybe put it up top so I'm not running into it. Keep forgetting the content browser's not on the right. So maybe do like here. Just I mean, even higher maybe. That. I got it that time. I wish you could preview the widget and like the screen widgets inside of a thing, but you can't. Nice. Perfect. So now we just need to on that. Gosh. Browse to asset. Click that one. Figure out everything else we need to do. So we're going to camera move. So we're probably gonna do call to the player. I know I have a camera overlap system already, and we probably could make use of that. So like we could. We just do this, right? I'm just gonna simplify it. I don't need all this. We're just gonna go copy paste another one. This is gonna be camera location. Doesn't need to be exposed on spawn. And on this, we're going to Get their character. No, it's I think it's controller. So we're gonna spell controller correctly. Please. And then from there, I want to get get player controller, and from here say view target with blend. And we're gonna say, I guess view target with blend, we would need an actual look at it, so we might as well have a camera. So let's go camera. FMVs. I mean, it depends on what you think of as an FMV. This might not be what I think of an FMV. Yeah, no. So what I think, and then the answer is no. But I think of like the only thing that I count as a FMV is a true FMV, where it's a, you know, yeah. God, Kane is like still one of the biggest villains in my head. Like, yeah. Yeah, no, we need to add an actual camera. Because I forgot. We don't want to switch the one we have. This is why I didn't want to add it, though. This thing's big. Please. Oop. Also, okay, it is a perspective camera. Cool. Okay, so camera will be our target. Please. Oh, I guess it would be self, right? Sorry. That's why I was like, what now? I barely use my camera. No, I mean, the only thing I'm gonna do is sequencer stuff. Like, there's probably gonna be an intro video, and then maybe some random little things here and there, but nothing crazy. You know. All right, so blend time here is gonna be like, we'll try like half a second. But I also need to disable input here. Or I guess I could unpossess the pawn. Oh, what's the best way to do that? No, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I got this. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. I would say it's not really for game dev so much as, or at least at the moment, it's targeted for, you know, broadcast TV stuff. I was gonna say, I know I made a video on that one though. I didn't do motion video, but I did the material editor that came on it. Came with it. Phrasing, my god. Came with the package. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I just meant like the vector stuff and all that. I know there's some. All right, let's see this. So let's go. Boop. My biggest issue will be the path it decides to take. Yeah, I don't want that. I want it to be like a nice and slow. Gotta get a slow burn. Let's go a full second. I'm forgetting that it's a short distance. We want it to feel smooth. When it's that fast, it honestly feels too fast, you know? And then that's when we would create whatever. What makes use of it? I mean, motion graphics. The stuff that they made it for. I mean, what I'm super excited about is they just pushed out like all the nanite. I mean, not all of it because it's very, very early still. But nanite tessellation is in for skeletal meshes. So, or you know, nanite displacement. So I'm excited to see what people do with that once it comes out. Nanite for, I mean, you don't really need nanite for glass in my opinion, but I haven't seen any stuff for transparency. But I mean, do you though? It's glass. Just use normal stuff. Like, you can still, especially when you have other stuff doing other things, you can still use normal rasterization for it. You just separate it out from that model and you can use it. I have noticed there's like, because I tested it the other day here. They do now fall back to the nanite mesh automatically. Like the nanite fallback. You need Rio Geo in the glass? I mean, you don't need... I don't know. It depends on what you're trying to make, but I would say there's probably a way to fake it. Almost guaranteed. But I mean, I think even when it is here, it's still going to be super expensive to use. And that's why we don't see it yet, right? Okay, cool. So that is that. We'll then do like a, you know, whatever intro is there. So I'll probably open a widget. And maybe that's what's showing is like just a play game type of thing. And then when this ends, we should probably go to another camera. So it's like we would do a delay here of that same 1 second. Yeah, I mean, overall, I'm just excited that we're moving more to that for everything. So it means like there's a lot of little things we can do, and like obviously we're getting better like functionality at the same time. Okay, cool. So from here, delay, and then we're gonna do another set camera. Because we're not gonna do all that there. We're gonna do this. Set a game time of like 0. I'll probably just, yeah, I was gonna say we can just move the entire game in here under the map, under this area. Like load it in right when they hit to play, and then go to that camera. Calm down. Also, at the same time, I feel like we need to pixelize it. Oh yeah, we were opening something. Hey, it's open. This was to look at the... think I actually changed the glass in here too. I don't even think the glass stuff is in here anymore. Or no, it is. That's totally it. Whoa, it's just a terrible color. No, here it's literally, it's just that. It's a different mesh. There you go. That's how I did it. There we go. It's 2 meshes. Really, it could be, yeah. Could have been a separate material on the same, but I didn't plan well. See, mine's a dumb solution. But we can look at it. No, please. Right, so this is the fun part. It's double-sided to and set to masked. So really all we're controlling is the masking. And then what I do is, like I was saying, is you literally just get the, we're getting, this is the same thing I use for gradient anywhere, right? Is we're getting that, getting its position, like we're zeroing it out, right? Getting the masking just the up and down, and then same thing for the bounds, and then from there we're deciding how much it should be filled. But I'm using custom primitive data so that we can on each one. The nice thing about custom primitive data is it's built onto the mesh, the information, so you can literally just per mesh build stuff out. And then from there we're just basically re-adding the object height into there, right? So that way I'm getting a 0 to 1 for fill height, and I don't have, it's not different per actor. It's literally 15%, you know, it's a percentage thing there. Then saturate to make sure that we're not getting anything crazy, especially with masking. It makes it where it's a better mask if there was any dithering or anything. And then I'm just flipping it. But then we're using this two-sided sign, because if you don't know, two-sided sign will make it where whatever side didn't have the like wasn't originally shown will show up as a different color, because it knows that that is a normal, you know, the normal's backwards, even on double-sided type of thing. And then this is actually just custom primitive data again for both the colors, so that per mug, per bottle, I could change it on the bottle itself. Also, I don't know how I compiled. But yeah. Not that we need to go over that now, but, you know. Come on, please. I didn't mean to save. Save me. Please. There we go. Okay. So, like, on this, again, we just go... This is that parameter. Right? So that we get that double-sided. Oh. Oh, interesting. It doesn't work. This color's not showing. Interesting. I don't know what's happening there. But yeah, it's just dumb simple. It's the same gradient that I'm using in here. Right? So like... it's literally just a... like material function that I bring to each project. This one I think has a little bit different stuff because there's some other stuff I can do in it, like using a texture alongside the mask, but it's literally the same thing. Yeah, because they're, yeah, it's all based on the origin. right in the original. Which there's a way you could do it where it's like it stays literally the same, but it makes it fun to. Okay. But yeah, just go to the pod or ask me to send it to you if you need an example. Okay, cool. So we're gonna create down here. We'll say boop. Oh, that's so weird. I didn't realize there were walls here or whatever this is, so I was like, wait a minute. That is walls, right? Okay, cool. Oh no, I'm just in a box. Oh, cool. Alright, so we'll just do that. We'll add in a fixed camera. Now I guess what we should do, is make it where we say, get rid of the controls, and then go to like game control. And then inside game control, like enhanced input stuff, right? So we just change the input being accepted. So that we can camera. Just add a camera, please. That way we can just have it, you know, be an immediate thing. So for this one, it's going to be a variable that we expose. So it's going to be target camera, target game camera, right? And then there should be I'm trying to think. I thought I made a global thing to switch back to the player. Also, I'm gonna turn the. It's getting dark in here, so I'm gonna turn the camera off. Just because I look super dark. I'm trying to think though. They. God, what am I even trying to say? We can delete that one. I don't know where I was going. I think I have something to like switch back to the camera, to the player camera, already pre-made. I just forget what it's called. If it's there, it's something like camera. Update camera. No. I mean, I guess these do it, right? These, where's the dang, oh yeah, this one doesn't have it. These ones do it, right? Excuse these. Okay. Oh, I mean, okay, I thought I had more to it than that, but that's actually good that it's not. Let me just really zoom in, please. Son of a puppy. Billboard actor and then player. Okay, so player camera saved. Where do I set player camera? Is it on overlap? Oh, okay. I'm just getting that on begin play. Okay. Maybe we can just do that. Honestly, I don't mind. And then somewhere we're gonna just do a custom event. The camera set reset to player camera. And what this actually is going to be is a first we teleport to this one, right? And then we're going to do a delay. Right. Place. Oh, I guess it. Ah. I double clicked the node. Oh, that's always bad. I done did it now. Blender. I mean, not Blender. Visual Studio. Shush. All right, so this doesn't need a delay because this is going to be instant. God. I literally just did it again. Oh. I was just trying to select the button. Like, please. Please. Okay, cool. So from here. So from here. Now that it's set to 0, right as we do that, we might do like a next frame. So do a tick. Or, yeah, what is it? Delay until next tick. I like that just because it's smaller. And then from here, do a blend time. We'll just do 7.5. Make it a little faster leaving. 7.5. There we go. So for now, let's to test this because we don't have any input here. We'll just do a delay. We'll make it like 5 seconds, 2 seconds. By the way, an ad starts in for people watching on Twitch and not YouTube. There is a ad starting in 2 minutes for you guys. And then what was it? Event like player or something. Yeah. I don't have short-term memory loss at all. What do we call it? Reset to player camera. Why didn't I see it? Okay. Reset to player camera. Oh. Oh, target is still this. This. So there we go. So we should at least have the camera like situated. Nice. Oh, that looks clean. Woo. I like that. We could probably do a little bit. Yeah, obviously we'll match and it will just flash to black. Nice, I like it. She's nice. She's nice. She's nice. Close this, please. All right. I'm actually gonna get up and stretch as well. I don't like sitting down for an hour. I'll be back probably before the ad ends, but oop, bananas. Got the bananas. I'll be right back. Oh, all right. Nice. All right, so that works. Okay, so now we just need to implement the actual game part, which will be pretty easy because all we got to do is load it and then possess it. That won't be bad. That won't be bad. I'm actually excited about that. That's cool. I didn't expect to do that much today. Let's see though. Let's go. I forgot what I was working on earlier. I think of it. Also, I need to spawn not right there. Spawn over here. Okay, I thought that was broken for a second. I was gonna be like, what the heck is happening there? Okay, cool. So that's not bad. That's not bad. So now we just need to make an actual way to exit it, which will probably have like a button that calls it in somewhere else. So I'm not worried about that. Action type. Oh yeah, it is interact. I was just confused by the name. Oh, that's a duplicate, huh? That's why. I was like, I don't name things _0. I name things new variable 1. There we go. Cool. Nice. I'm trying to think if there's anything else we need to do on this side of things. I think no. I guess we could do this properly and say, I guess we should probably wait for it to load, right? So if we do have a pack level there, which I guess we can do this. We can go. Was it pack level? It would be like level streaming. I don't remember. Doesn't matter much. Either way, we can say instead of just disable input, unpossess. And then from there, in the game, we'll just on back button or whatever. Okay. I'm trying to think. Oop. Please. I want to go wait at my mailbox for a day to get rid of this. Please, sorry. Okay, cool. So that's not bad. Okay, cool. Also, I guess we could do this. We could probably set a small delay there. So do Like that much. That way we can see the walking. Okay, cool. Maybe it should be good then. Also, we have slow walk. I guess if we want that enabled. I should probably open that project to see what's in it. But that's more shaders. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do this. We're gonna open up lava as well. I did some stuff yesterday. I'm gonna see if restarting my computer makes it recognize the Android stuff. Otherwise, I gotta find a guide because the guides that are there are outdated. Oh, failed to launch editor. Oh, that's not a good message. Oh. Ah, lava. For anyone that doesn't know, it's a super simple game. Oop. Oh. We could probably update it too since we're already in it. I should probably make some new stuff for it. It looks like the bubbles broke or they're compiling. So we can make new assets, maybe. It's so much easier on computer. Yeah, we have. Oh, this needs to be fixed right there. Oh. What is happening? Oh, there's the Noel DeMilo. I forgot we have two in this game. We have Toon Milo, which wants to stop right there. And then this Milo. Buttercup. Bun Bun. Yeah, this camera stuff looks gross. We can fix that now. Should make what unlock the different skins. That's how this game works. This is a mobile game. It's out. Unless you mean in the game. This isn't gonna go into that game. This game's too broken and old. But they do. Door caps. Wait, what? This isn't the game that's gonna go into the yeah. This game I would say is too complicated in the fact that it was my first Unreal game. So there's a lot of grossness in here, but I do like this. Now that it's working, there we go. There's old Milo. This is just vertex coloring. Like vertex coloring versus me texturing. This is like super low res too. It looked really cool. The higher res version. But yeah, they do in this like each thing besides the initial spaceship you got to buy. That's why it goes down like that. But yeah, we need to. So what I was trying to figure out was, yeah. See, we got this guy now. Boop, boop. No, what I was trying to. I was opening this really quick, just to see. Hey, it detected an install. The amount of work I had to do for that. I'm still getting an error, but it doesn't tell me what it is. But it also then says complete and successful. So, not sure what the heck's happening. They changed how you build for Android like 2 or 3 times since I last did it. Yay, it's still failing. I'm trying to see. Let's see. So automation tool exiting with 6. Okay, so UBT failed. Here. Oh. This. Ah. All right, let's see. But yeah, and then like the docs are outdated, so it's like, I'm happy that it downloaded them. Like so. Those plugins, yeah, that's fine. Get status, that's fine. The Android isn't a valid platform to build from. Make sure that the SDK is properly installed. Build exception. It is. Open. You know what? Hold on. It might be this. I wonder if it's like the NDK folder or something. I think I also need to reset this because it was acting weird. But SDK isn't fully installed. Is it like this that I need to do? Is that... Package. Yeah, and all like the help I can find, I can... They're like super old. Yeah, so these guys go all the way in. Oh, new piano. Same error, okay. I mean, this was right. But maybe I need the other one. And then, other than that, it's the environmental variables of my whole system, which we don't need to... Yeah, oh, that might be it. I missed the button over there. Okay, so the correct way. Wait. I don't even see the damn change. I would have needed to change it here. I'm thinking, but I'm thinking it. Fingers crossed. Can we play a package game inside of another package game? I mean, you could technically, like, load another game inside of another game. Like, I know Halo Master Chief Edition. They had, like, an Unreal launcher. And then it just technically swips, like, it hides that it's opening another application. Type of thing. Like, there were you can't by default. You would have to, like, you know, do some trickery for sure. But they do. So that's why I was saying I wouldn't do this game. I would do the other one because it's a lot simpler. It's just like I think 2 blueprints, and we can kind of rework it to be like a sub level. That way I just load it in, or package level, that I just load in when we were actually near it. To simplify it. That's why I was trying to decide, like, just do a render target to the screen or do something else. Also, this is really cool. I didn't expect this to be able to... I mean, we got further than I did. This, for whatever reason, it wasn't showing up all yesterday. After restarts, I installed different versions. I did all sorts of stuff. But this is further than I got, so... We're getting somewhere. I wanted to... Someone pointed it out to me that it was delisted, and I was just like, oh... I'll get that back on there. I think we could technically... like, download... whatever the last version of Construct 2 is as well. And figure out... an update for Milo's Journey. And then... I don't know if I have Galaxy Rush anymore. I feel like I deleted it because I was like, I'm never gonna open that again. But we can check. I might. And just not remember. Like it's in a backup folder somewhere. Oh. Generally, I keep backups. And then I know I have, Milo and other games. On my... Hey, look at that. That's what I like about Construct. We friggin' installed that fast. Alright, I have the key. I gotta download it. I mean, let's see. Maybe I'll have to do Android 3, pay for a month. Type of thing. I mean, I should be able to do the... All I need to do is an SDK update. Oh, package failed. Getting ahead of ourselves. We nearly had it. Okay. So what did we fail on? step. Prepping native code, backups. Okay, so it's okay, so I need to like install. Okay. I was gonna say, I know the way it was for a little bit, we'd get to this and then we could just open our intermediate. And open it in Android Studio and package it there. Oh no. I totally just deleted something. Backups. This game. Oh, we're good. Never mind. But yeah, the intermediate Android. I mean, it's got the Gradle stuff. Honor. Yeah, I think it might be my Java settings. I know I saw something that was saying. Yeah, let me try this. Go this way. There's tons of weird works. Okay. I think if the Java version's too new or something. But we should be able to do like this, where we say, yo. Android Studio. Also, I'm done with this for the day. Alright. I might have got it. We'll see. If that's even still a thing. Because, yeah, like, Gradle's downloading here. I don't even know if it had the correct things. Well, no. When we try to run it. I think I opened the right file as well. I forgot, to be honest, what which thing it was, because it could be one of these. I think it was like app. Like, yeah, now we're inside it. Project. Hey, look at all those. Oh, let's see. Oh, can there not be? Where's the emulator? Because I definitely don't have a thing. I just forget. Was it this? No. An app, yeah. I haven't used this in forever. Also, like, what is this? Okay. Yeah, Cradle's done. I know I installed the emulator. Is it a separate thing? I feel like it used to just be a button. It was easy. We would just like right click. Edit configuration. No, I wanna. Maybe I need this. I don't know, I'm looking at it. Okay. How do I make sure it does that? Oh, okay. Whatever. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Oh. I don't even know. I don't know. We'll get it. But yeah, I want to put everything back on the store, so. Alright. I think I'm gonna call it a night, though. We've been streaming for a little bit. Let's see. We're gonna go. This is playing Final Fantasy. We'll go over there. Y'all will enjoy that. Ah! Alright. Anyways, good luck. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for all the sports day and all that. Yeah, we're getting it to work. Oh, I almost raid channel instead of the name. Cool. Stop it. Oh my god. Alright, anyways, good. I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow. We'll see though. I'm not sure. It's a weird day.